So I have my wire brush. This is my wire brush. Then I have my source of heat. This is my gas cylinder filled with gas. So I want to carry out test on salt, and this is the salt I'm going to carry out my test on. So
I will blow your mind.
I'm going to test with litmus paper in case there's a gas involved. So this litmus paper we're going to determine the kind of gas that is involved. An effervescent there is an effervescence, there is something looks like boiling inside that test tube. So we are still eating. So let's check. The color of my sample D is now changing. So this my sample D is changing already. The color is changing gradually. Initially the color was white. While eating my sample D, there was an effervescence of a colorless gas because the gas that is involved, I couldn't see the color. So there was an effervescence of a colorless gas, and definitely since the gas doesn't have any color and the gas is also odorless, then automatically if I have my lime water now, I will have tested the gas with lime water, but I know the gas will definitely turns lime water milky, and that is to say that's carbon dioxide. It's only carbon dioxide that have that property. It's a colorless and odorless gas which turns lime water milky. Other gas have color. If they don't have color, then they will have a specific odor. And remember, we can only get carbon dioxide from CO3. So in my observation is effervescence of a colorless and odorless gas which turns lime water milky, and at my inference the gas is carbon 4, which is CO2, and we can only get CO2 from CO3 to minus. So I've completely heated my sample D now. Let's see the color. Can you see the color? The color is yellow, even though you might not be able to see clearly from the screen there, but the color is yellow. The color of my sample D is now yellow. It has turned to yellow. It was white initially, but now it has turned to yellow. Since my D has completely changed to yellow now, it means that reactions has already taken place. So let's see what happens to sample D when it got cold. So now our sample D is already cold, and when we look at our sample D, is now turning to white. Our sample D is cold now and has turned to white. So which compound have I tested for? There is a compound I've tested for. I said during the beginning of the test that sample D was white, and at some point sample D turns to yellow, and when sample D was turning to yellow, there was an effervescence of a gas which is actually odorless and colorless, and that gas turned lime water milky. And I said the gas can only be found in CO3 compound. Now sample D later turns white, yellow when hot, and white when cold. We have added value to you in this video. Please don't hesitate to give us a like, then subscribe, that subscription button right now. We are going to be giving you updates on chemistry practical. Strike that button right now. Thanks.